Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Let's continue the East meets West with the beautiful floral designs and the botanicals I saw when I was in China. Lot of containers representing the bamboo. Absolutely gorgeous. They were everywhere. There were, whatever you wanted that represented bamboo, I saw them everywhere. Fortunately, I had this container at home because it's been one of my favorites for a number of years. The other thing that I really loved was just the simplicity of the container, the beautiful ceramic and luster on the outside, and then going and getting some mossy branches and putting them into the container. And you know what? That to me is beautiful. You don't actually need anything else. I did see a lot of mossy balls where they would be just placed, one up the top, one into the container, and you know, as a still moment, I think that that is just gorgeous. But this is the design that I saw that went on from the mossy branches. Just a little bit of green to go in there. Oh, now before I start, let me just share this look in there. Can you see into there? It is the branches that are filling the cavity of the container. That's your support structure. Little bit fiddly because you're going to have to put the flowers or the other forms into it with a little bit more care, but I loved it. If you've got nothing else on hand, just fill it with the branches. Okay, to begin, gently, gently, gently now you have to go down and into there like so. I'm going to bring this one over to there. It is a great idea, you know. It just holds everything in place. Do I need three? No, I don't think I do. I think I just need that. As I have said over the journey of East meets West, I absolutely fell in love with bougainvillea. And I want you to know that I am going to grow this. And I'm going to topiary it, or actually it's not topiary that they do. What I'm going to do with it is I am going to do it into a bonsai because I really loved it. Okay, that's all that we're putting into there. And then let's just take it up a bit with a beautiful camellia. Now, the camellia is actually the showstopper. Look at that, isn't that just gorgeous? So you've got the bougainvillea coming down, and then you have got the camellia. I'm going to bring a piece, will I put it there? No, I'm going to put a piece over and into the back, and that just fills that little area there because a lot of the arrangements have mirror behind them and it just brings visually more. Loved it. Okay, the next to go into there, and I did see a lot of lambs growing and it looked gorgeous. A little bit over there, and then I'm just going to bring a piece into there. And yes, it looks odd because it's not evenly placed, but who am I to be in charge of the botanical world? And if it wants to grow like that, well, why not just let it grow like that? And then with the moss here, I'm just going to bring that out a bit, and I'm going to bring the mossy branch, the mossy pad into there like so, and then I'm going to put that down there. This is amazing free form, free flow floral designing. I absolutely love it, and there is no right way and there is no wrong way. And when you're looking in the garden at how things grow, nothing grows perfectly. So I think that it's about time we freed up what we're doing and just put a bit more, you know, just let it be as it is. That's a beautiful thing. And when you see them in these hotels or in their powder rooms or at a reception desk or just in a shop by the counter, it's just gorgeous. I love it. So I hope you've enjoyed this because I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day. Bye for now.